baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel we talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. Today's video, we are going to be stuffing my cash envelopes for my daily expenses. We are stuffing $160 today, so let's get to stuffing. All right, so we're actually going to be stuffing $143. I forgot that I went to the grocery store before I got home. It just didn't make sense for me to come home, stuff my envelopes, and go back outside. So we're stuffing $143. I am going to do what I always do, and I'm going to unstuff my envelopes first, and then we're gonna empty out my change little bag that I have here. I got this from Amazon and it just holds all my coins. So I am going to empty this out into my coin jar, and then we're gonna count what I had left over. I have this here which shows all of, we're stuffing 3 envelopes today. Not make it seem like we're stuffing a whole lot, but anyway, let me get my coin jar and we can get started. I have my coin jar here. I have all my coins in here, and I got this from Walmart a couple years back. I am saving my coins. To be honest, the last time that I had saved my coins and cashed them in, I forgot how much money I got, but you know, I'm saving my coins, but I'm not just like really consistent. If I need some coins, I will take them out of here. I do, however, want to save, like, I want to keep some quarters in here, because just in case I am somewhere and I'm parking, I want to be able to use the quarters as opposed to, you know, putting my debit card in that little machine thing. I don't think I'm going anywhere because I'm on a no buy July and a no spend June. But just in case, I do want to have that availability to pay for the parking, okay? So I'm just taking out some of the quarters, and then I'm gonna be stuffing everything else. All right, so I have my quarters in here. It's not a whole lot, but if I need to be able to park, I do have those quarters in there. And then I am done with the coin jar. Gonna put this up here. And this bag, if you are interested in it, you will have to DM me on Instagram, and I'll send you the link so that you can purchase this cash bag, okay? All right, let's see how much money we had left over from last week. Here is a receipt here. I do house all of my receipts right here, but I think I need to scan some of these. Some of these are like really, really old. I think I just forgot to take them out. But basically, I do scan my receipts and I scan them for gift cards. So if you have not heard of Fetch, you definitely should download it, because you can cash your points in for gift cards. And I have cashed in my points for Nordstrom gift cards. But they have all kind of stores, Nordstrom's, Target, just all kind of stores. So I encourage you, if you don't have the app, to go ahead and download it. It's free. And if you download the app, then you get bonus points, I get bonus points, and I mean, you can't beat it. You just scan all of your receipts. You get your bonus points when you scan your first receipt, okay? So groceries, we have left in here a total of $3, and I'm just gonna add to what I already have left. And so originally I took out $100 for the groceries, but what I'm gonna do, so that because my receipt is downstairs, I think, and so I don't feel like walking down there to get it. So I am just going to start with household, and then I will stuff groceries last. So household, we have left $5 left in household, and I am going to be, stuffing household with $30, and it's a 20 and a 10. I did go to the ATM because I missed the bank, and so it's actually going to be 2 5s, okay? So let's count total what we have in here. 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. My household items is for like toilet tissue, cleaning products, paper towels, and things like that. Next is our toiletries, and then toiletries is going to be getting $30, and what I have left in here is $2, and so it's another 20 and 2 10s. And basically toiletries is toothpaste, lotion, things like that. So we have 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. So we have $32 in the toiletries envelope. We're gonna skip back over to groceries, and whatever is left is going in groceries, okay? So that is 20, 40, 60, 80, $3. So I spent, do the math, y'all. Do the math. All right, so we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have $86 in groceries. This is gonna last me for 2 weeks long. I don't eat a whole lot, and what I like to do is I like to buy meat, and I like to separate the meat so that I can, just eat maybe meat and rice, or meat and vegetables, something like that. I just have myself and my daughter. My daughter is an adult, so sometimes she eats at home, sometimes she does not. But I was gonna do a vlog, but I just don't know how interesting it would be, because I shop at like Stater Brothers. I don't know if they have any Stater Brothers outside of California, but I know a lot of people shop at Aldi. I tried to shop at Aldi. I didn't like it. So maybe I could try it again, but I just didn't like it. I went one time and I was just like, this is not my thing. So if you have any suggestions on grocery shopping at Aldi, let me know. Other than that, I pretty much go to Stater Brothers. I don't really like Ralph's or Vons or anything like that, because it's totally a ripoff. They are way too expensive. But if you have any suggestions as far as like a cheaper grocery store like Aldi, or we have a place called Food for Less, and that grocery store is cheaper as well. It's kind of like on the same lines as Stater Brothers, and so I'll go there, and then I know I can go to Walmart and go grocery shopping as well. But Stater Brothers is by my house. It's pretty local. It's like down a block. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. That sums up this video. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.